to use the EarthBoard for self-massage for piriformis, glute, like deep rotators of the hip, just by sitting on the board. So you're starting, checking in with your sit bones, seeing how it feels there, and then in your booty flesh. Just rocking, I'm adding weight to one side. You can see my knees are bent to start with. If I want to, I can start to cross over, and like the things you would do with the self-massage with a foam roller, you can do that with the board. And if you need to put a towel down, you can as well. So I'm here, I'm getting nice and relaxed in that area to prepare me for whatever's next. So 60 to 90 seconds. Just explore. Hands can be on it, hands can be free as well. It's a different kind of challenge. Oh yeah. Everywhere, anywhere. And this is a great, relaxation in this space will carry over into anything that you're doing later on more active. Enjoy. Woo! 60 to 90 seconds. It's a great starting point here.